When disasters strike, providing timely and reliable emergency support for engineering projects is extremely important. The emergency folding bed of YRF Textiles Co. Ltd. is a solid backing for engineering projects. In engineering projects, emergencies may occur unexpectedly at any time. Our emergency folding bed provides reliable emergency support for engineering projects with excellent quality and powerful functions. It is sturdy and durable and can withstand the test of various harsh environments. The quick unfolding design can quickly provide a comfortable rest place for staff in emergencies. Our emergency folding bed is suitable for scenarios such as emergency rescue, military operations, medical aid, United Nations donations, government reserves, Red Cross actions, prison management, and dormitories. Whether dealing with natural disasters or meeting the emergency needs of special places, it can play an important role. We are YRF Textiles Co. Ltd., a professional production factory and a one-stop emergency product supporting factory. We are committed to providing high-quality emergency equipment for global engineering projects. Choose our emergency folding bed to escort the safety of engineering projects.